There is a kind of silence that doesn't feel peaceful. It feels empty. Like something inside you stopped answering a long time ago. You meditate, you journal, you've done the courses, the affirmations, the therapy, but still, the aliveness, the connection, the feeling, it just doesn't return. You say, I'm tired of pretending I'm okay. Let me tell you this. You're not broken. You're not failing. You've just been protecting yourself so good. Because here is the truth no one told you. Numbness is not a defect. It is a doorway. And today, you'll walk through it gently. Let's start by decoding the biology. Your brainstem, the survival brain, only asks one question. Am I safe? When the answer is no, over and over again without a break, your nervous system does something super remarkable. It shuts down. Not because you're weak, but because you're wise. The shutdown is called dorsal vagal freeze. It's the nervous system saying, if I can fight and I can flee, I'll disappear. See, it is not depression, it is not laziness. It is an intelligent emotional shutdown. And your body, your beautiful, brilliant body, kept you alive by numbing what it couldn't process. It locked the gates so you could keep functioning. It turned off the music so you wouldn't drown in a sound. But here's the opportunity. The same body that shut down to survive can now awaken to thrive. And you don't have to force it. You only have to invite it. Let me tell you where the numbness lives. In the language of your body. Let's start with the chest. Collapsed lungs, holding grief, never cried. In the belly, overthinking and overgiving. Your spleen whispering, I'm tired. In the kidneys, years of unspoken fear. That back tension, that's not posture, it is protection. In the throat, silence that became identity. In the heart field, walls that grew thick, not out of hate, but out of necessity. See, energy doesn't vanish. It lodges in tissues, in fascia, in the meridian lines of your being. Emotion is energy in motion until it can't move anymore. So let's move it. Not forcefully, gently, with presence, because presence is how the body says, we're safe now. Grab a mirror now. I'll wait. Or just imagine you looking into the mirror and look into your own eyes, not as a task, but with curiosity, like returning. That is not just a reflection. That's the part of you that never stopped hoping you'd come back. Take a moment. Now, say softly, I see you. You went quiet to survive. You don't have to hide anymore. I'm here and I never left you. Breathe. Again, and this time slower. There is a soul behind those eyes, a pulse, a flicker, not extinguished, just paused. See, most people try to fix numbness by forcing feelings. They dig, they chase, they demand aliveness. But the subconscious doesn't respond to force. It responds to safety. Let's begin re-education. Close the eyes. Touch 2 fingers to your chest, light pressure. And say inwardly, I am safe to feel. I am safe to return. Now breathe in to the space below the ribs and notice. Is there a flicker of color? A memory, a warmth, a sound? It doesn't need to be loud. It just needs to be. You are teaching your nervous system something it's long forgotten. That stillness is no longer dangerous. That silence doesn't mean threat. That you can be present and still be safe. You are now feeling your way into a new identity. We're gonna do now a reclamation ritual. And it goes like this. Light a candle. And if you don't have one, imagine one. Flame. Centered. Steady. Now place both hands over your heart, one over the other. And feel your beautiful heart. Say out loud, I bless that part of me that went numb. It protected me. And now, I invite you home. Hold the silence. Now whisper, so hum. It means I am that. Let's do it 3 times. With your breath, with your spine aligned, with your soul slightly cracked open. So hum. So hum. So hum. I am that. Close your eyes again and let my voice become the echo inside you. Breathe into your spine and feel the thought begin. Perhaps today you don't feel everything. That's okay. But maybe, just maybe, you feel something. a pulse, a warmth, a sense of I'm here. And that's everything. If a part of you stirred today, even slightly, know this, that your soul is answering. That was your body believing you again. This isn't the end. It is the re-entry. So subscribe and share and come back next week, because your numbness is not your enemy. It was your body's love letter to your future self. And you are finally home to read it.